Outlook is receiving emails, but you're not getting desktop notifications. In this video, I'll show you several quick settings to check that can restore Outlook alerts on Windows. First, open Outlook and click the settings icon in the top right corner. Go to General, then Notifications. Make sure mail notifications and desktop alerts are enabled. If these settings are turned off, Outlook may receive emails normally without showing any notification banners. Next, let's check Windows notification settings. Open Settings, select System, and then choose Notifications. Make sure notifications are enabled globally. Then scroll down and find Outlook in the list of apps. Open its notification settings and confirm that notifications, notification banners, and notification center alerts are all turned on. If everything looks correct so far, check whether Windows Focus Mode or Do Not Disturb is active. Go to Settings, System, Notifications, and then open Do Not Disturb or Focus settings. If Focus Mode is enabled, Windows may silently block Outlook notifications. Turn it off temporarily and review any automatic rules that might enable it during work hours, presentations, or gaming sessions. If you're using a work or school account, there's one more thing to check. Open Microsoft Teams and look at your current status. If your status is set to Do Not Disturb, some notifications may be suppressed. Change your status to Available and test again. Finally, close Outlook completely and reopen it. Once Outlook has reconnected and finished syncing, send yourself a test email from another account. If everything is configured correctly, you should now see a desktop notification banner when the message arrives. To recap, check Outlook notification settings, verify Windows notifications are enabled, disable Focus or Do Not Disturb, review your team status, and restart Outlook before testing with a new email. For the complete step-by-step walkthrough, check out the full guide on our channel. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Outlook and Windows troubleshooting tutorials.